So you're considering having RetroFoam insulate those exterior walls, but you're wondering, you have plaster, can it still be done? Let's talk about it. So we have been getting a ton of questions on our social medias, people asking, can RetroFoam be installed with plaster? Can it be installed through plaster? What if you have to go through the inside of the home and you have plaster? Can it still be done? Well, short answer, yes. You're good to go. End video. Just kidding. When you're looking at installing RetroFoam with plaster walls, if it's on the outside, if we're doing a standard install and we're injecting from the outside of the home, makes no difference at all. It is good information to share with your contractor so that they have the entire picture, and they may want to look throughout the house just to make sure there may be no gaps or cracks in the plaster, things like that. But it's relatively the exact same install whether you have plaster or drywall on your inside. Now, if the foam is being injected from the inside of the home, meaning that crew will actually have to drill through that plaster on the inside, is that process much different compared to drywall? No, not really. It's usually the same. Now, I know this is where all the drywall contractors come out of the woodwork and harangue me on drywall and plaster being very different, and they are different. I'm not saying they're not different. The install process for injection foam is relatively the same. The contractor may take a couple extra steps, maybe look throughout the house a little bit longer, and the patching of it may be a little different. Usually the thickness of drywall versus plaster and lath behind that. The process of patching it may be a little different, may take a little bit longer. The contractor may have to get a different set of materials, but for you, the homeowner, it's basically the same process. They would drill the same access hole, install the foam the exact same way, and afterwards the patching may take a little longer, maybe a little different, but again, this is one of those details that's important for you to share with your contractor so they can be prepared. But for the homeowner, virtually no difference. So if you have a home that you're looking to make more comfortable, whether it has drywall or plaster on the inside, go to our link below to our Find a Dealer page where you can find your local RetroFoam dealer and start taking back the comfort and control in your home today. This is the Professor of Foam reminding you that building is a science.